Yeah, if next time we have our own house, right, I want the whole house to be Hello Kitty themed.
Can you are as cute as Hello Kitty.
You're so sweet.
Of course I'm sweet Yeah, you know right, if we have our own home right, we have the final say. You are important to me because you mean the whole world to me.
Aww, so sweet.
Talking about
Hello Kitty. I was intending to make a Hello Kitty bed frame. Might be a little bit expensive at that.
Can, no problem.
wait a minute. I realize cannot because my feng shui master say I born in the year of rat Then you know cat eat rat then someone will live inside the bedroom right. Every day I cannot eaten with not auspicious Here, bedroom cannot one. I think we move on to other area like living room better Feng shui master say one confirm correct one.
Okay. You know what? Let's talk about the living room. Okay? For the living room, right, I was thinking custom-made Hello Kitty feature wall from Japan.
Oh no! Ayo, I still remember. Because our grandparents will always come to our house
What is it again?
No you must understand my grandparents they all live in the World War II era. Then they last time always taken by Japanese soldier. So they definitely will boycott Japanese food one. I don't want later they war with me No good one.
Cannot. Then what is it that you buy now?
No still got toilet We can get some Hello Kitty toilet bowl.
Anything Hello Kitty? Cost.
Oh no!
What is it again?
Because I just remember you see I very man one I very ego one. There's some more our house too until Hello Kitty here, Hello Kitty there, pink here, pink there. Wait, my friends they all say I pussy. Then I no face, you know or not? I think cannot I think Hello Kitty cannot.
What did you tell me when you proposed me? Proposed to me?
I think I tell you I love you.
No, you said that I'm as cute as a Hello Kitty.
Cannot be You see you're human right? I will compare you with a cat.
And you also said that I have a say in the interior design of our house.
Yeah got say but must see the say got money or not Cannot anyhow say one.
You money here, money there. We work so hard to earn money. Why cannot spend?
You know, dear, wise man once tell me the rich right stay rich by living like a poor. Anyhow nonsense one
Then you go and find someone else to be there with you lah.
Actually don't need to do Hello Kitty bro, got Doraemon, Dragon Ball, Digimon, Pin Baby is very popular. I like you. Stop talking about cartoon to me You so old already to live in Cartoon Network. I still remember we used to come here quite often.
Yeah, that was during our honeymoon period.
Yeah, that time we were young, life was simple, we don't need to worry about a lot of things, not to say money.
Yeah, that was during our honeymoon period. Happy?
Dear, let me say first.
Yeah?
Actually, I was too much. Hello Kitty theme home is actually okay. It's just that I'm a little bit too money-minded.
Actually, what you said to me was very sweet. You said that I'm more important than anything else in this world and that I mean the whole world to you.
A home is where the heart is. Find a home where two hearts become one. For more renovation tips, use Renopedia.
Renopedia, the most engaging online renovation media.